My name is Markus. I'm the developer of many well-known synthesizers. In this episode I will show you some tips and tricks with Icarus. Icarus offers a huge sonic range, is extremely versatile, but still remains easy to use. Animated displays give you visual feedback. You can instantly see and hear the results of your actions. Context-sensitive tooltips explain the function of the control you're tweaking. The user-friendly and accessible interface makes tweaking easy for anyone, regardless of skill level or experience. The interface can be displayed in 26 different sizes and 5 scales. It is also possible to hide parts of the interface, such as the keyboard, when you don't need it. You don't need to be experienced with synthesizers to be able to use Icarus. It is possible to hide all those fancy knobs and use it as a preset player. Icarus offers native support for high-resolution displays. It always offers ultra-sharp graphics. Tastes are different. That's why this synthesizer ships with 37 different skins. To change the skin, go to the setup and pick the one you like most. It is extremely easy to create own patches in Icarus 3. All you need to do is click on the random button here. Unlike other synthesizers, the random button doesn't just load a random patch. It creates a new patch from the scratch, including new wavetables, arpeggiator programming, effects, and modulation.